It was August 29th, 2024, in Maricopa, when an intense confrontation unfolded between a driver and a police officer during what began as a routine traffic stop. The driver, a third-year law student, had been pulled over for an issue with his car tag. Things gradually got worse, transforming what should have been a simple interaction into a tense and violent scenario. Body cam footage shows the driver, clearly upset, demanding answers. "I'm going to give you about 0.2 seconds to explain why you pulled me over, because I haven't committed any traffic violations," he shouted, his voice filled with frustration. The officer calmly responded, explaining the tag was not allowed, but the driver, not convinced, challenged him. "I'm a third-year law student. This is not something you want to do." The situation began to spiral as tensions grew. The officer asked for the driver's license, but the driver refused.
I'll make this real smooth and easy. I got a dash cam going. I'm gonna give you about 0.2 seconds explaining to me what you pulled me over for, because I have not committed any traffic violations.
The tag. You can't have that design.
Yes, sir, you can't. I'm a third-year law student. This is not something you want to do.
I'm gonna see your driver's license, please.
Okay. What is the? First of all, that's not. Get your watch coming out here now.
Hills Road 2 Delta 50.
Now.
Can I get a 1094?
Get your. Let me call your sheriff, just so you know.
Don't call the sheriff.
I will right now.
Don't call the sheriff.
In case you can see my shirt.
Can I see your driver's license?
What's your lawful command of pulling me over,
316-605.
Flunk statute. Okay. Let me get your watch coming out here now. Get your watch coming out here now. And that body camera
Let me see your driver's license.
You will not. Okay.
Let me see your driver's license.
Okay.
2 Delta 15. Can I have
Get your watch coming out here now.
Get out of the car.
You will
not. Give me your driver's license.
Okay.
Give me your driver's license now.
Okay. This is what
Give me your driver's license now.
You have no lawful reason to open this door.
Driver's license now.
You have no lawful reason to open this door.
Driver's license
Back
now.
the hell up now.
Driver's license
this body camera is going.
Driver's license now.
This is what I'm going to do before I pull it out.
10-4. Driver's license now.
Get them on the phone. Get your watch commander out
here now.
Give me your driver's
license now.
Get your watch commander out here now.
Give me your driver's license now.
You will not take it.
Give me your driver's license.
Baby, I'm being...
Stop. Give me your driver's license.
Officers trying
Give
to
me your
grab my
driver's
arm.
license now.
Okay.
Give me your license.
He has a weapon pointed at me.
Unbuckle your seatbelt with your right hand now.
Okay. Get your watch commander out here now.
Unbuckle your seatbelt with your right hand now.
Okay.
Just calm down.
Okay.
Just calm down. Just calm down.
Keep your hand there.
You just spoke the lawsuit.
Keep your hand there.
Babe, he has a weapon pointed at me.
Do not move. Get out of the car.
You will not make me get out of this car.
Get out of this car now. Get out of this car now. Get out of this car now.
Okay.
Keep your hand on the steering wheel.
Okay.
Stay right there. Do not move.
Get your watch
Do
commander
not
out here now.
move.
That body camera better be
Do
rolling.
not
That body
move.
camera better be rolling. You will not point that weapon at me. I have done no unlawful criminal commands. This is a civil traffic stop. You have no lawful reason to pull that weapon out on me just because we're having a verbal disagreement. You have lost your mind. Your badge will be removed today. You can best believe that.
What he said.
We were just sitting here arguing. I never did anything unlawful to you. Have you lost your mind?
Just do what he says.
He has a weapon pointed at my face. Baby, I need you to get the attorney on the phone now.
Stop. Stop fighting now.
Baby, he has cops. Baby, you're gonna have to go get your kids.
Stop fighting now.
I am on cane.
Get out of the car.
I cannot stand on my own
Get out of the
feet.
car.
I cannot stand on my own
Get
feet.
out of the car.
If you see the second row,
Now.
you will see there's 2 canes there.
Get out of the car.
I cannot stand on my own 2 feet.
Get out of the car.
I just had surgery.
Then get out and lay down.
Okay, just calm
Stop
down.
fighting.
Get your watch.
Now.
You will not put those
Stop
cuffs on
fighting.
me.
I'm gonna tase you right now. Get out.
You will
now.
not put those cuffs
Get
on
out
me.
now. You're about to be tased.
Okay.
You're about to be tased.
You're going to be stripped in the badge today. You're going to be stripped today.
Get down. Get down.
He has a weapon pointed at me,
Get
baby.
down
Get
now.
attorney, baby. I need you to get attorney Malik
Get
Shabazz on the phone
down
now.
Get on the ground.
During the middle of the confrontation, things were tense, but still under control. The officer stayed calm, explaining the situation, while the driver stood firm, refusing to cooperate. Both were holding their ground, and it felt like any wrong move could escalate the situation.
Now, get on the ground. I want to pull you down if you have a bad back. Then slow down and get down.
You cannot make me get on my back. Sir, I'm going to lean here. This is what I will do.
Get down. I'm telling you right now, if you don't get down, if you don't get down,
baby,
if you don't get down right now.
Okay. Baby,
Stop.
Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. This is gonna be a lawsuit. You're on my back, and I just had surgery. I just had surgery, and you're on my back. Alright, sir.
Yeah. Stop fighting me now. Yeah.
As tensions reached their peak, the driver's partner, who was also in the vehicle, pleaded for calm. Both the driver and officer grew more hostile, each believing they were in the right. The situation ultimately ended with the driver being detained, the officer citing resisting without violence as the reason.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, thank you.
This is gonna be a lawsuit. This is gonna be a lawsuit.
You get 1075. Just keep a couple units. I got one detained.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm okay, baby.
I'm good. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You got anything on you?
I do not see everything on.
Thank you. Turn on. Sit up.
It's okay. I'm on Hillsborough.
Sit up.
What I need you to do is get Sheriff Chad Carson on the phone. I need your badge number. I am my license concealed.
That's fine. I'm giving you my knee so you can lean on it.
I just had surgery. This guy came up here threatening me, already with his hand on his weapon. He's
You
telling
see
me
his fake tag he's got?
that's not a fake.
He's got
tag.
that Joker description on it. Ready? Stand up. Come on.
I just had surgery.
All right. Put your leg in. All you had to do is get
Over
your
a
ID
tag.
and a ticket.
So you're doing this over a tag?
Put him in a
Okay.
ticket.
Okay. You just lost your job.
No, he did.
Okay. Watch this. You should see my shirt.
You see that tag he's
You
got?
should see my shirt. You should see my shirt. You just lost your job. Get your lieutenant out here now. I am the nephew of a captain of Polk County. Let's bet on it. This is going to spark a lawsuit.
He's a sovereign.
This is going to spark a lawsuit. Okay, get your lieutenant, please. You're
Widen
just
your-
the corporal.
Widen your stance. Widen your stance.
Okay.
And stop. A simple ticket of you to fix your tag and you turned it to this and now you
You
want to
started
jail.
threatening me with your hand on your weapon. I was in fear for my safety. So you're going to lose your job. This is a civil traffic violation. Even
And you
if-
turned it into this. You're right.
Okay, we'll see. I hope that body camera better been rolling.
It is. You got 4 of them here.
Okay, they weren't here when this started.
All right, well, mine
Now, I'm
was.
gonna make sure on this report that your badge numbers are all listed. Make sure on this report. I cannot
Okay.
fit there.
You're going to fit in there.
Okay. Watch this. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Good job. Yeah, I get there and I'm like, what'd you pull me over for? I need your lieutenant. I'm calling the sheriff.
We're towing this, right?
Oh, yeah, hell yeah.
Well, we need to do an inventory search.
Oh, yeah, we're definitely doing that. That's what I'm doing right now.
Make sure you get a lieutenant out here, please.
They won't come.
Oh, they won't? Okay.
They don't need to. Huh?
What's going on?
So I pull him over for this tag. Yeah, it's fake. I mean, it's not fake. It's a real Florida tag, but this design, Florida doesn't have that.
Okay.
So you can't do that. He's he's altering the tag. 316-605.
Nice.
Pull him over for that. Right away. Please just stop the reason someone else. Shaking. I'm gonna call the sheriff. I'm gonna call the sheriff. Give me your ID. Give me your driver's license. Give me your driver's license. No, sir. He's a big guy.
Hang on, you said no?
Yeah.
Okay, you're going to charge him with obstruction, right?
Yeah. He's going for resist without right now.
That's
And that's why I get him at taser point, and I'm like, get out of this car. And he's a big dude. I couldn't get him out of the car.
Yeah.
So I heard somebody close by. I said, all right. And then he was getting out slowly, and that's when I was able to pull him down. I was able to pull him down and get him.
Hey, did you run the actual VIN yet?
No, not yet.
Because there might be more to it.
Yeah.
Holy hell, dude. Yeah. It has CCW on that.
Dude.
Oh, yeah, the guy in the seat and everything, man.
Dude.
Well, yeah, look at his phone, my mommy.
That's his girl. She was just calling him.
If he has a CCW, it don't matter, so we need to check that.
Dude, he was reaching over this way. That's when I got on a taser point.
Very good.
He's got a permit, so.
Well, if he's got a permit, he's good on that.
I mean, yeah, he can have it.
Well, the running, I mean, you never know.
Yeah, he can have it. It's just one of those things where it's, you know, he feels, I feel like he's a sovereign citizen.
Yeah, sovereign and a very good deal.
Yeah.
Here, I'm gonna give these to you.
Is that the, right there, is that the, does it say R?
It's the same
So
thing.
R.
This is for this. These are for this.
Yeah.
What is that?
That's the same thing Emperor's placard.
I thought I smelled something. 57, man.
Let me go. I'll start running him and checking his VIN and stuff real quick. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
What's going on? I saw this car yesterday, and I ran the tag. I said, "This is the thing," but I was going to another car. I just got lucky enough to see it again today. You are. But I got to impound it because you're going to jail.
What's the criminal charge?
Resisting officer without violence.
There has to be a criminal offense. I don't think that a criminal offense.
Yeah, not giving me your ID.
You're going to lose your job.
That's fine.
I'm here at 13P, 30 County Road 39 in Thompson Road. Be a white male, updating 1015.
We're just resisting arrest without violence.
No, not yet. Yes, you're going to jail for resisting, and you're going to take it for the tag.
Okay. So a civil traffic violation, and you put your hands on me. Put your hands on your
Yep. Once you refuse, I didn't put my hands on my gun.
My hand was on your weapon as soon as you approached.
Not my gun.
That should get it. Just so you know, those
That's fine. My hand was never on my gun. Yeah. Yeah, I think he just saw it. I mean, look at this. You see his tag?
I'm not a sovereign citizen. Just watch your motion. You just
Hey, so I pull his car out. That tag's fake. I mean, it's a real tag, but the design on it is fake. So you put a fake design on the tag. Here, they can have this.
What are you talking about? We just got these vehicles. We just got these cars. He painted the color. It was blue. It used to be blue, and he got it repainted because he didn't like the
But
blue.
the tag's illegal.
Huh?
The tag's illegal.
It is not illegal.
316-605. That's the Florida State statute. I read it to him in the back.
But how's he supposed to know that?
That's what I was the point of the stop was to let him know that. And when he refused to provide ID, when he's lawfully detained under a lawful traffic stop, he's got to provide ID.
But how are you supposed to know about the tags? Like,
that was the point. I was going to do a traffic stop, let him know, hey, that's illegal. Probably let him out with a warning because I had to take my car to the garage. And then when he's yelling and screaming, he's going to call the sheriff on me. I'm violating his rights. I said, okay, well, give me your ID. And I told him to stop 2 times. I told him the reason for it, and I gave him the Florida State statute for it, which is 316-605. That's the Florida State statute. If you want to write it down and look at it when you go home, you can. I told him that. He says, no. He's reaching around the car. I said, I need your ID. When he's lawfully detained and refusing to provide ID, that's when it becomes a criminal offense. So once I made the determination that you're refusing to provide ID.
I'll do whatever the freak I want to do.
Okay, that's fine. No, and the tags are illegal. Yeah. And they're all like angry at me. I said, listen, there's just gonna be a warning. I had to go to the car and they sent me an email. My fleet car that I have checked out, that fuel card expired at the end of the month. And they sent me an email. That's why I was leaving. That's why I was 10-6 garage. Yeah, but I forgot I had that fleet card, and then that's why they sent me an email for that. And so I was like, oh, well, let me go get this done right away. Plus, I got a depot at 4:30, but I'll make that. So I saw this tag yesterday. I saw this tag yesterday. Someone took a comparison. But I was 51 to a pole, and I couldn't stop him. And so I was like, okay, whatever. You know, that thing was like, oh, go see another day. And then I saw it. I looked at it today and Googled like Florida specialty Joker plate. I'm like, let me be 100% certain.
Yeah, they said
that's a cool tag.
They said that out like a week or two ago from FHD about it was in the Fusion thing. About the tag. tags being painted and
Yeah, that's what that one is. You know? Yeah, her
you can see it on
tag.
it.
Her tag is.
Sometimes.
Yeah, so you can tell it's a regular Florida tag. Like, where's this one? Yeah, you can tell it's that one. It's one of those ones. He did put a painting over it, but again, honestly, if it's black and like the Joker picture is not there, and you can see Sunshine State, you're good. That's a good tag. But everything else is.
You can't see it. Take it off.
Oh yeah, which violates 316.605. He's in there saying I had my last thing. Again, they were. I thought about it. I reached over the passenger seat to put the wallet down. I thought about it. See, are you taking his property or is he coming again? Okay, let me verify with him.
I'm his wife. Yes.
Okay, well. So are you okay with your wife taking your wallet, your 2 phones, your chain, your AirPods, and that Florida State little keychain?
Yes.
Okay. I do. Yeah. And then the chain, Florida State keys, AirPods. Was there something before that happened when we were all here? There you go.
They need to stay this. All right, we're good.
That's good.
Good job. It's 863.
The body cam captured a scene that was filled with fear, tension, and a struggle for control. What started as a simple traffic stop had escalated to a point where both the officer and the driver felt threatened and on edge. It was a moment where everything seemed to go wrong, misunderstandings, fear, and defiance all coming together, leaving a lasting impression on everyone involved. It was an important reminder of the significance of clear communication and teamwork, even under the most difficult circumstances, to keep events from spiraling out of hand.